Hi everyone, hope you all are well. Today I will show you how I made this beautiful piece of art. It's very easy and anyone can try it. I am using here 30 by 24 cm prime canvas. Now I will make a rough sketch of a tree and half circle by using a plate. I will use the paper mache clay here to emboss this tree. If you want to know the recipe of this clay, please comment here. So I will post another video specially on paper mache clay. Here you don't need to be pro for the clay work. You just need to roll the clay like this. Just make sure both the ends are pointed. I'm using Fevicol Emma to stick this coil on the canvas. You can use any kind of white glue here, whatever is available with you. Now I am sticking the coils. Just give light pressure on all over the coil so that can stick properly. You can use your fingers to shape up the tree to achieve more finishing. If you have a carving tool, that is the best. But if you don't have it, don't panic. Look around you, you will get so many different objects to use with. Like pencil. You can use pencil from front side and back side differently. Branches and tree trunk are not supposed to be very smooth. So even if it is not completely finished, don't worry. If you find it very smooth, we can give some wood-like impression with the help of the knife. Remember, if you want to give an impression, you have to do it straight after sticking it. If it is dry, even 50%, you are not able to do it how you like it. Same way, I will make all the branches. Now it's time to emboss the tree trunk. At this stage, we are creating roots as well. So when we are making a coil, one end of the coil must be very thin. First I will create a roots, then I will fill up the remaining area. Roots can be overlap on each other. That will give very realistic look. Roots are done here. Now I am filling up the tree trunk with the different size of the coils. Same time, don't forget to give a wood impression by using a knife. Let's make a flower now. I am using this kind of mold here. You can easily get it from the Amazon. This kind of tool is very easy to use. If you don't have a tool, then you can make a flower without mold as well. I'll post another video on flower making without mold on demand. If you want to learn that, please comment here. When all the flowers are done, let it dry completely. After that, I'm painting it with the white acrylic color. After painting all the flowers, we'll keep it aside to dry. While it's drying, we will work on remaining clay work. Here, I'm making some mountains. To create a mountain, we are placing a coils in shape of the mountain. After that, we are blending inward by using a carving tool. Now it's time to paint it. I choose the combination of grey and gold with white flower. You can choose any color combination depending on your taste. After the grey background, I'll paint the tree and mountain with the black color. While paints are drying, let's give some texture at the bottom. To create a texture is very easy because it doesn't need any perfection. Just take very little amount of clay and blend it around. That's it. Now it's time to paint rest of the part with the gold color. I don't like the tree is very black here, so I have decided to give it a golden tan. To do that, I'm taking very little amount of golden color on my fingertip and tapping all around on the tree. Now it's time to place the flower. Apply the white glue at the back of the flower and place it on the branches, which is the best part for me. After placing all the flowers, I have made very tiny balls and painted with the gold color. Now it's time to place it at the center of the flower. So this is the final look after the varnish. Like it? Then try it for yourself and share my video to your friends. Importantly, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. That will encourage me to post new videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.